Good day, it is me again, Moahi PM, Mechanical Technology Grade 12. We'll be looking at fitting and machining today. What is fitting and machining? Fitting and machining. Can include the assemble, alignment, and machining of components plus installation of machines, hydraulic or pneumatic systems. But today we'll be focusing on the hydraulic system. And by the end of these lessons, we should be able to know the applications of hydraulic system, to define thrust, pressure. We use this equation P is equal to F over A to calculate our pressure. Measured our CI unit is pascals, PA. And furthermore, use this equation P is equal to density times gravity times height to calculate fluid pressure, height, and density. Another one for hydraulic lifts is force 1 over area 1 is equal to force 2 over area 2. And our applications for hydraulic principles include designing hydraulics systems, brake systems, presses, and machines for industries. Thrust is the normal force exerted by a liquid at a given surface in contact with it. Here is our illustration of what we are talking about. Here is our cylinder with our liquid. The force going up is our thrust. Going down, it's our weight. Pressure at a particular point is the thrust acting on the unit area around the point, measured in pascals. Now we're going to look at an example to see what we are talking about in practical. Our question is as follows. Suppose the pressure acting on the palm of a swimmer's hand is 1,2 times 10 to the power pascals, and the force that acts on the palm of the swimmer's hand is 1 times 10 to the power 3 newtons upwards. I'll determine the surface of the palm of the swimmer's hand. Our formula as given is pressure is equal to force over area, and we have our pressure given as 1,2 to the power 1,2 times 10 to the power 5 pascals, and we have our force given, which is 1 times 10 to the power 3 newtons. We are looking for our area. We're gonna do some substitution. It's gonna be 1 to the power 5 is equals to our force, which is 1 times 10 to the power 3 newtons over area. And when we do our substitution, it's gonna give us over 1,2 times 10 to the power 9, which is 8,33 times 10 to the power minus 3 meters squared. Yes, that's it for our lesson today. Thank you.